In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get started with SSL on Squarespace. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and make sure you are on the main dashboard for the website you want to manage. This is where you will find the core settings for your site, including security options. SSL is important because it helps protect data shared between your website and its visitors. It also helps your site appear more trustworthy in the browser. Once you are in the Home menu dashboard, click on Settings. This section contains many of the key controls for your website, so if you are new to Squarespace, it is useful to become familiar with it. After that, look for Developer Tools, or in some versions of Squarespace, you may see Advanced instead. The exact label can vary depending on the setup you are using, but the goal is the same. You are looking for the area where SSL settings are available. When you find that section, click on SSL. This will open the security settings related to your site connection. In this area, you will see different SSL options. Select the box for Secure Preferred. This tells Squarespace that you want the secure version of your site to be the main version visitors use. In simple terms, it helps direct traffic through HTTPS instead of an unsecured connection. Next, check the box to enable HSTS Secure. This adds another layer of security by telling browsers to always connect to your site using HTTPS. It is a helpful setting for improving the consistency and safety of secure access to your website. If you are enabling this for the first time, just make sure your SSL setup is working properly before relying on it long term. After both of those options are selected, go to the top left corner of the screen and click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes. Once saved, Squarespace will use those settings for your site's secure connection. If you want to confirm everything is active, you can visit your site afterward and look for the padlock icon in the browser address bar. That is usually a quick sign that SSL is enabled correctly. That covers everything you need to know.